Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Jonesy from Fortnite. So let's get in there at the top. Start with his hair. It's kind of like got a chunky crop of hair on the top. So I'm going to do some kind of zigzaggy lines there. Just like that. I'm going to bring that in, sort of taper it down with 2 lines. Then I'm going to do his ears. So just 2 little curved areas. Put those ears in like that. That's cool. Next, let's pop a jaw in. So got a strong jaw. So a line down here. Let's just match it up, sort of join up here. Just do a curve down and then up and then just join that up. Great, okay. Next, pop a bit of a neck in. So just 2 lines below the jaw, just in a little bit there. It's got his neckerchief on, so I'm gonna do a diagonal line from about here to there. And another one, sort of start there in the middle where his chin is and just work up like that. Okay, we're just going to draw a bit around there and then just a bit around there, and what we'll do there is get that to come down in the center there. We'll just do a little wiggly line that joins up in the middle there. Pop a few little bits in there just to show that it's an item of clothing. Alright, great. Then let's do his torso. So I'm going to just do 2 little lines either side there. And let's just do a couple of lines in. So one sort of here, one sort of there. Alright. What we'll do, we'll just join this up with a curved line here and a curved line here. Just close those gaps like that. That's his torso. It's got 2 belts on, so for now I'm just going to put a rectangle just here and then do a line and a line to join that up. Let's do another line and another line here, and there's a belt underneath as well, so I'm just going to do another smaller kind of square underneath and a line there, and then we'll just join those up, and maybe I'll just curve them a little bit so it looks like a bit of a belt on Jonesy there. Okay, let's pop the legs in, so maybe just pop a dot there, and I'll draw a line down for his leg to go kind of like that, and then another line like that. That's the top of his leg there. His knees will be here. Just draw a bit of a line up here. Just going to leave a little gap bit there. It's kind of got a big pocket here, so line up out and around, just show the top of this pocket, and then just come down and join up, and then I'll put a line in there. Okay. He's also got sort of a big sort of pocket pouch area here, so I'm just going to do a rectangle like that, and then just a little clip out there. It's got 2 sort of bands on around the leg here, so let's just pop a curve area there and a curve area there, just join those up, and then we can just draw like the clothing of his legs just coming out a bit like that. Alright, that's good. Let's do his kind of shin pads. So a diagonal line here, and then do one up and up there, up there. And then what we'll do is just do 2 lines down like that, and then we can draw the rest of it on there, so it kind of clips around again. So I'm just going to do 2 lines like that, maybe just join that up there, and then kind of goes around like this, so a line out there and in, sort of lean in like that, straight line up and join there, straight line up to here, join there, and then it's got his big boots on, and there's kind of like a big sort of piece of metal, so I'm just going to put like a rectangle there and a rectangle there for now. Just join that up, and then do the top of his boot like that, and draw like some chunky grips underneath, so up and down to the heel there. 2 lines in to join it, and then just draw along the line of the sole there to show the shoe. This one we'll have it coming out, so a little bit of a curve here, around, just to join up, do a heel, and then just show some of that chunky sort of sole on his boot there, and then we'll just join that here. Then he's got, I'm just gonna just top those bits in there, maybe just show a bit of his leg like there, because he's got sort of other little bars, little bands going around there. Put one there, put one there. Okay, let's fill these bits in here too. One there, and one there. Okay. All right, next up, let's get some arms in. So let's do this arm first of all. So let's do a curve, sort of showing his shoulder, right in there. Let's do the same on the other side. A sort of strong curve there. Then I'm just going to come out again and in. Same here, sort of do the tricep and in. Bicep areas around here, so let's do a curve. Same here, curve that up. Then with this arm, I'll have it just 2 lines like that, and we'll have it coming down like this, and then around there, that's it. Just to show hand there. Just gonna pop in, he's got sort of a longer glove in here, so I'm gonna just put 2 lines in there. Then also on this side, he's got his kind of band, so I'm gonna put 2 lines there, a little sort of round area there, and then we could just have some fun here and pop out 2 little pieces of material like that. So just do kind of some zigzags there. All right, this arm, I'm going to do the same sort of thing as this one, so just come down like this, elbow down like this, and then just go around and around up. So I've got his hand sort of clenched. This side he's got a smaller glove, so I'm going to put 2 lines like that, and then 2 in there like that. All right. Let's pop a nose in. I'm quite happy with that. So let's pop a nose in here. So just going to do a line in the middle there, sort of wide line like that, and then just a little one at the top there. Then let's go to a smaller pen. Let's get a smaller Sharpie, and what I'll do is just pop in a couple of eyes. So a line along here, a line along here, sort of curved lines, and then just do a circle in the middle, show his eyes. Okay, and then just can do top of his nose there. Just put a line in, pop a little eyebrow in like this, quite chunky eyebrows. And then we'll do a little smile in here. So he's got kind of cheeky smile on his face. I'm going to do a longer line here, and I'll just fill in a little bit down there. That's it, and just put a lip in. And he's kind of got a little line here, like a little smirk line. Maybe we'll just add a little bit here and here. Okay. Then his hair, I'll just put those little bits in there, sort of show the hairline there, and move down so it sort of kind of completes that. That's cool. I've got a bit of a tattoo here, so I'm just gonna sort of show that off on the side there. And then just in here, I'm gonna draw a little rectangle at an angle, like that, and put in some lines for stitching. And then his belt area, just gonna pop in some lines there for the belt loops, and 2 there, and maybe we'll just put 1 there, 1 there, and then we're just gonna add in some detail here, and then just got little clips here. So just put a couple of rectangles in there, maybe just fill in a little bit that area there. Pop in some lines just to show like the material of his glove. Oh, let's just pop in that bit there. He's kind of got a communicator on his arm, so I'm just going to draw up a rectangle here, and then in there's like a blue area, so just pop a couple of controls on like that. Then he's got a couple of straps on the torso, so let's just show that by just showing some lines here and some lines going up like so, up there. Okay, just pop a little line there. Maybe just 1 here, just to show a bit of detail on there, okay? Right, maybe just one little line there, one little line there. There we go. All right, nice. Let's go to color. So first of all, I'm gonna use a skin color. So just gonna get in there with kind of like a lighter tone skin color, and we're just gonna sort of brush that in here. Same here. Just leave a little bit of white on the side up here, just to denote kind of like the light bouncing off. Same on here, so I'm just gonna color around all these areas here. Maybe it's bouncing off his nose a little bit. Just populate those areas there and just leave a little bit of white on the left hand side. And just got those sort of thumbs areas there. Okay. A little bit more on these sides. Show a bit of shadow off there. Okay. Next up, we're going to get a lighter green, and that lighter green, I'm going to use that for the neckerchief area. So just colour that in. And just leave a little bit of light there. Let's colour that in. Okay, that's good. Just on that bit there. Maybe just a little bit, just to show on the edges there as well. Then I'm going to get a kind of darker green. Let's just see if this green is good. Let's do his, yeah, that's good. Let's just do his top. Colour that in. Use the chunkier edge on there. Fill that in nicely. Okay, that's good. Then what we'll do is we'll do the rest of these little boot areas here. Colour those in. I'm going to leave a little bit of light on the left just to show it's kind of, the light is bouncing off there. Those areas, that kind of goes to there. And then the gloves as well, I think. Let's just fill those gloves in. One there, and one there. Then I think we might as well fill this kind of like pocket he's got. And then what I'll do is, I think, just going to go to a slightly sort of brownier green. Just again, if you've got one, just fill in some of these areas, like this loop here, and this belt area here. Okay, and then maybe these parts here as well. Alright, that's good. So next up, we've got kind of like trousers. I'm going to use kind of like a lighter brown colour first of all. Just fill that all in with this kind of lighter kind of brown, and just work around that patch. Fill it all in. Light brown there, and let's just put those lighter browns in around here. Alright, that's good. Then we're going to get a darker brown. I'll just grab one of those, and it's got some camo colours, so I'm just going to work around that with kind of like some sort of areas that kind of look like camo. So just go out with a pen, just do some sort of curved little blobs in there, and sort of pop those in wherever you like, really, just to show the kind of camo trousers along there. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So next up, I'm going to just grab a grey. Grab that grey and let's do his boots there. Just fill the colour in all over the boots area there. And there, let's pop this colour in with the patch here. There's a little bit on here too. And then we'll use that to fill in these belt buckles and the top belt area as well, if we haven't yet done. Then I'm just going to grab a yellow, and the yellow will just pop in for those blonde eyebrows, a bit of blonde hair as well. There we go, just touch that in. And then I'm going to get a red and just show a little pop of the colour here for this band. That'll work nicely. Just a little nice accent colour of the red. Pop that in there. And then his communicator's blue, so what I'm going to do is just pop that little block in there. There we are, that's a nice blue colour there. Then just grab that Sharpie again and just draw a bit of a ground to have him standing on a part like that, and then I think I'll just use that little bit of blue. So just use a little bit of blue again just to ground him on that floor, blue floor there. That's cool. Right, let's get the Sharpie again and just pop in his name. So that is Jonesy on ArtDraw. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video, and we'll see you soon. All right, thanks for watching.